Okay, so this is a quick video to show you how to access your email on Shopping Cart Elite, which is the backend system for the website bestqualityusedtires.com. Now the protocol for your email is going to be your first name at bestqualityusedtires.com. In order to access that, you need to download and install the Shopping Cart Elite software, which I'm going to go through with you right now, and then you can access the email module through that program. So the first thing you need to do is go to shoppingcartelite.com. This is the website right here, shoppingcartelite.com. From there you go to the top right, download software on the horizontal navigational bar up there. This is the page to go ahead and download the client. You're just going to accept their terms and click download now. Now when you do that, it's going to go ahead and begin the download, and then you run the program and it will go ahead and run the install. Use all of the default settings, nothing tricky, it's just a standard program install. Now once you're done with that, if you have any questions or problems that you run into during that, go ahead and contact me. You can reach me at tom@bestqualityusedtires.com. But assuming you get it installed with no issues, you're going to go ahead and run the program. If you aren't sure where to find it, it is Shopping Cart Elite or SCE Launcher. That's what you're going to do. So you can go ahead and search it down here and go ahead and run that program. When it first opens up, you need to apply the license file. Now you should have been emailed this license file. It is a .sce file. It's not meant to be opened or anything. It's simply uploaded into the system to give confirmation to the program that you're allowed to have access to the store. Okay. Not sure what that error was. I've never seen that before. Okay, seems to be working. All right, when you first log in, for the first time that you install it, you're not going to see any of this. In fact, all of it's going to be blank. What you need to do is click this option button here and click Load License File. At that point, you're going to want to navigate the .sce file that you were sent. For me, it would be in my downloads, and it was named bestqualityusedtires.sce. I would keep that the name of it. Go ahead and select that and open it, and it will apply the new license file to the store. Okay. At that point, you need to log in. The protocol for your login is going to be your first name, and the password would be letmein22, no spaces, no caps. Again, LETMEIN22. It's going to look like this. You're going to go ahead and write it in there. At that point, it's going to tell you that for security purposes, they want you to change your password the first time you log in, since letmein22 is the default password. So at that point, go ahead and make your new password and remember it. Use a password that you can remember, or a new password that you won't forget. Something, whatever it takes. Go ahead and fill in that information and click login. I've already done that, so I'm going to just log in with the password I assigned. Now the program's going to go ahead and launch. When you first open it, it's going to be a little overwhelming because this is the entire backend system for the store. There's a ton of different features that you probably won't need. But I'll show you how to access the email through this. Also, while this is loading, it is possible to get this set up and integrated with Outlook. If you prefer using Outlook as your email client, let me know directly and I can work with you to get that set up. Otherwise, you can just use this program. Depending on what your position is with the company, there are other aspects of this software that you might end up using in the future, whether it's dealing with the inventory or processing orders or whatnot. So it is good to have this program on your computer ready to go if we do need you to use it for any other functions. Now when you first come in, this side menu won't be here. I have that as a feature which you can turn on in the personal settings, but this is what it will look like when you first log in. Now, to access the email, you're going to go to Personal and then select Emails. Now it's going to go ahead and open up the email module. You might see this the first time. This is just saying that, do you want to activate this application? Go ahead and click Proceed. Now up here, you want to choose what mailbox. Depending on your position with the company, you might have, just say Tom as your email, or you might also have sales if you're dealing with customer service. Right now, I am doing tests on all of them, so I have access to a lot of the emails. But for example, right now, let's say that I only have Tom available. I'd go ahead and select the mailbox I want to see. Pretty standard stuff right here. Typical email client You want to start a new email, go ahead and click new. A pop-up will come up, fill in your content, who you want to write it to, subject, attachments. Um, this is pretty self-explanatory. Your sent, junk, drafts. If you have any questions about how to use this, of course, you can contact me. You can set up your signature here with images. I believe this will accept full HTML if you wanted to put in images and whatnot. But yeah, that's basically how it will work. When you first log in, I definitely urge you to do some tests. Do an email to one of your secondary or personal emails. Make sure it goes through. Send a reply. Make sure it comes back and everything's working fine. I've tested them myself and haven't had any issues. But if you do have any problems like that, make sure to let me know. And that's about it. If you have any problems downloading or installing Shopping Cart Elite, logging in, accessing it, or any questions about this, feel free to contact me. Again, you can contact me at tom@bestqualityusedtires.com, and I can help you out. I hope this helped, and you guys have a good day.